Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are making teriyaki salmon quesadillas. Cue the music. Well, hey, and welcome back to It's Only Food, and thanks so much for watching. I am Chef John Politte, and if this is your first time watching this channel, or you just want to learn how to make awesome food, or maybe even learn how to start your own cooking channel right here on YouTube, then start right now by clicking on that subscribe button and then hitting that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well, you tuned into this channel to watch me show you how to make teriyaki salmon quesadillas, so let's head into the kitchen and check out what our ingredients are. Alright, we're going to start with a can of chicken of the sea pink salmon. We've got some brown sugar in here. We've got our rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, some low sodium soy sauce, queso fresco cheese, ginger, garlic, and of course our lovely tortillas under there. So let's start cooking this up. As you can see, I've got all the ingredients for the sauce all measured out, ready to go. We're going to mix it up ahead of time before we put it with the salmon, because we don't have cornstarch. I thought I had cornstarch, but I don't, so I can't really thicken this sauce over some heat. I took the water out of the recipe, and we're just going to see how it works out with that. All right, well, I've got the soy sauce right here. Sorry, I said teriyaki sauce is what it should have been. This is going to be a teriyaki sauce, and we're starting off with our ingredients with a quarter cup of soy sauce, some ginger. I'm going to put all the ingredients down below and the measurements for each in the description box below. We got some fresh ginger, our brown sugar. Oh, it smells really good. I got some rice wine vinegar and sesame oil mixed together in this bowl. And we're just going to mix this up, and we'll add this little by little into the salmon. And then I'll have some left over if I need it. But it's thick. It's got some brown sugar in there that's kind of thickening it up. All right, I've got our tuna opened up. I drained all the liquid out and put it into this bowl. I did make a friend with our cat. He's over there eating right now. Some very delicious tuna. I have our sauce. And by tuna, I really meant salmon. We made right here: brown sugar, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, sesame oil, and some rice wine vinegar. Again, the description box has the recipe in it with the accurate measurements. I'm just going to pour a little bit at a time into this until we get it to where we want it to be. I don't want it to be over infused with the sauce. I want the flavors to blend very nicely and not beat each other up. I want them to complement each other. Now the colors change too a little bit. You can see the salmon turned a little bit darker. I'm just going to add a little bit more. With that fresh ginger and that fresh garlic in there, that will add so much flavor to it. All right, that smells good. That looks good. And it's not just drowning in the teriyaki sauce that we made. So now our next step is I've got some queso fresco. This is a fusion dish. I have some queso fresco, that I'm gonna put about half of this in here. That is our cheese for this dish. So we have the teriyaki from the Orient, and we have the queso fresco from the southern hemisphere here. And we're just going to ground all this up as well. And then we're going to start making some quesadillas with this. Let me get this all mixed up together, and we'll head over to our frying pan. Alright, I got our pan right here. We're going to throw our tortillas in here, but first I want to add just a little bit of oil in here and spread that around so we get a nice color on our tortilla. Let that pan get hot. And I'm using the large tortillas here. Nice and large. Because we're going to make us a big quesadilla. The whole pan. Alright, now the secret to a good quesadilla is to be able to melt your cheese without burning the outside of your tortilla. But yet you want it to be crispy enough when it folds over that you can cut little tiny sandwiches out of them and not have it flimsy. So you want it crisp but yet not burned and the cheese melted. Now I'm going to take some of our lovely salmon teriyaki and I'm going to put it on half of it, because we're going to fold that over just like an omelet onto the plate when it's done. Or in this case, a cutting board. Cheese is melting. Nice little test I do is to kind of, you look at it right there. That is done. Move over to our cutting board and we'll just flip it right over. Alright, well, there's our quesadilla. We are going to cut this up. We're going to make it look nice on a plate. We're going to come back, take a ton of pictures of it for social media. Then we're going to lay some music with that on the timeline of this video and come back and give it a taste. There it is in all of its glory. I've got some red peppers and cilantro on here, along with some more of the sauce. But I'm going to throw the camera on another tripod and we're going to give this a taste and let you know how it is. Alright, well there it is, the teriyaki salmon quesadilla that we made. Remember, all the ingredients are down listed in the description box. This is almost like a salmon spread, so I'm going to give it a taste. That is very, very good. You get that saltiness from the salmon, and the teriyaki's got a little bit of sweetness to it. And it just comes well together with that cheese melted in there, and then you get that crunchy bite from the quesadilla when you bite into it. Beautiful fusion dish. Give it a try. I'm glad you showed up today. Thanks a lot for watching me make teriyaki salmon quesadilla. A beautiful fusion dish. All right, thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that description box below for the 5 links that I have down there for you. The first one is a link to all my e-commerce stores that I have my gourmet seasonings on. The second one is a link to a playlist that I have made of how to make a YouTube cooking channel. The third link is for TubeBuddy, which is a toolkit that you will need in order to make your YouTube cooking channel a success. 4 is a link to my Amazon storefront. Everything I use on this channel is in a storefront there. Click on that link, you'll see everything I use. It is an affiliate link, so I do make a little bit of money on each purchase that is made. And 5 is all my social media links that I have. Don't forget that I have a chef page on Facebook that is also an aggregate site for other creators on YouTube that I like to feature on there. So click on that chef page one and give it a like as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure to like this video and this channel. Leave all your comments right down below. And then do me a favor and share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Thanks a lot for watching. We will see you again right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.